Vi, India's leading telecom service provider, and AST SpaceMobile have announced a strategic partnership to expand mobile connectivity across India's unconnected regions. This partnership will bring together Vi's robust national network with AST SpaceMobile's revolutionary space-based cellular technology, which connects directly to everyday smartphones without the need for specialized software or device support. The collaboration is designed to support Digital India's vision of universal mobile access, and the two companies will work together on the SpaceMobile satellite system. This space-based cellular broadband ecosystem will provide voice, video, data streaming, and internet access, and will be designed to expand Vi's telecom services of terrestrial connectivity. AST SpaceMobile's technology has the potential to break down barriers to connectivity, enabling everyday smartphones to access 4G and 5G directly from space. This will unlock new possibilities for emergency response, disaster management, agriculture, remote learning, and countless other applications that will benefit from truly ubiquitous mobile broadband. The partnership is expected to put India at the forefront of global space tech innovation and will push the development of use cases and applications for connectivity. Together, Vi and AST SpaceMobile will also collaborate to develop commercial offerings for diverse sectors, including consumer, enterprise, and IoT. Avnish Khosla, Chief Marketing Officer of Vi, said that the company is committed to leveraging technology to connect every Indian and sees satellite communication as a complement to terrestrial connectivity. Chris Ivory, Chief Commercial Officer of AST SpaceMobile, added that India is the ideal place to demonstrate how space-based cellular broadband can seamlessly complement terrestrial networks. This partnership is a significant step forward in expanding mobile connectivity in India and has the potential to make a meaningful impact on the lives of millions of people. By working together, Vi and AST SpaceMobile can provide seamless and resilient connectivity, enabling people to access the benefits of digital technology and bridging the gap between connected and unconnected regions. AST SpaceMobile is set to be revolutionizing global internet connectivity with its ambitious satellite-based technology, aiming to expand reliable internet access to remote and underserved regions. The company's innovative approach allows standard, unmodified smartphones to connect directly to satellites, setting it apart from competitors like SpaceX's Starlink and Amazon's Project Kuiper. With a growing market projected to reach $24.6 billion by 2030, AST SpaceMobile's technology has significant potential for growth. AST SpaceMobile's direct-to-smartphone approach requires no special hardware or apps, making it a game-changing development. This technology could unlock massive markets, particularly in developing countries where traditional internet infrastructure is limited. The company plans to conduct several launches, each carrying multiple satellites, over the next 6 to 9 months, starting with its first Block 2 Bluebird satellite in July 2025. If these launches proceed smoothly, AST SpaceMobile could begin generating meaningful revenue from both government contracts and commercial partnerships. The company aims to build the capability to produce 6 satellites per month by late 2025, enabling rapid network expansion once the technology is proven in orbit. While AST SpaceMobile is still in its early stages, burning through cash as it builds its satellite network, the company has significantly strengthened its financial position with recent funding rounds. With sufficient capital to support its near-term plans, AST SpaceMobile is well-positioned to execute its vision and potentially generate substantial revenue growth. The company's technology has the potential to dramatically improve connectivity for billions of people, especially in regions where only about 34% of the Earth currently has cellular coverage. AST SpaceMobile has also recently announced a settlement term sheet that paves the way for long-term access to up to 45 MHz of premium lower mid-band spectrum in North America for direct-to-device satellite applications. This agreement positions the company to deliver peak data transmission speeds of up to 120 megabits per second and support voice, full data, and video applications. The term sheet is part of a multi-party agreement involving Legato Networks, Viasat, and Inmarsat, and is subject to court approval. If approved, the transaction will provide AST SpaceMobile with access to a significant amount of high-quality nationwide spectrum, enabling the company to expand its satellite-based network and deliver faster data speeds. The additional spectrum will complement AST SpaceMobile's existing plans for low-band spectrum, which offers superior penetration and coverage characteristics. AST SpaceMobile's first 5 commercial Bluebird satellites are currently in low Earth orbit, each featuring large communications arrays that reach approximately 700 square feet in size. The settlement term sheet also outlines the financial terms of the agreement, including payments to Inmarsat and Legato, as well as the financing arrangements for the transaction. AST SpaceMobile has received a $550 million institutional financing commitment to support the consideration for the spectrum, and plans to obtain additional financing to facilitate its obligations. With these advancements, it's no wonder AST SpaceMobile's inclusion in the Russell 1000 Index is about to take place, reflecting its growing position as a leader in the space-based cellular broadband industry and providing increased visibility and recognition among investors. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.